What's up, my finance-loving hamster friends? Quick question. How good are you at selling stuff? And no, I'm not talking about pushing ice cream on a hot day. I mean selling the kind of things that nobody's exactly dying to buy. Well, buckle up, because you're about to see a masterclass in moving some seriously weird products. You ready for this? Let's go.
What do you sell it for? How much does it cost to make a package?
It costs $6.57 to make, and we sell for $34.95. We've sold lifetime 106,000 kettle excuse me, Sharks. 106,000? We have now sold 106,003 kettle grips.
Yeah! No way, right? Did you even know stuff like that existed? I swear, it's the first time I've ever seen anything like it. And I was legit blown away. Around here, we always talk about how the key to selling is solving people's problems and giving them what they really need. But man, if I hadn't seen that vid with my own eyes, I would never believe someone managed to sell over 100,000 kettle grips. Maybe there's actually something to this wild approach. I'm already cooking up a few ideas. Like, what about a fancy toothpick holder or winter sunscreen? Would you buy that? Drop your wildest product ideas down in the comments. Let's see who's got the most creative mind. Catch you in the next one, and remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one.